World AIDS Day annual observation aim to raise awareness of the global epidemic of AIDS and the spread of HIV. World AIDS Day occurred on December 1st and was established by the World Health Organization in 1988 to facilitate the exchange of information among national and local governments, international organizations, and individuals. When the first World AIDS Day was held in 1988, an estimated 90,000 to 1,50,000 people were infected with HIV, which causes AIDS. Within 2 decades, more than 33 million people were living with HIV infection, and since 1981, when the first AIDS case was reported, some 25 million people died of this disease. As a result, AIDS awareness became increasingly concerned with educating societies about HIV and AIDS through the unifications and monetary supports of international organizations. World AIDS Day is observed on Wednesday, December 1st, 2021. A primary goal of World AIDS Day activities is the distribution of information. Each country creates and organizes its own agenda for World AIDS Day, and some countries launch week-long campaign. In addition, many countries and cities hold ceremonies that serves to commence World AIDS Day activities on international, national, and local levels. For example, in the United States, the President delivers an annual proclamations, and in other countries such as South Africa, Bermuda, and Brunei, ministers of health make annual speech drawing attention to AIDS concern. Typical World AIDS Day activities include concert, rallies, memorial to those who have died from AIDS, discussions, and debates. A major international symbol of World AIDS Day is the red ribbon, worn as a demonstration of commitment to the fights against AIDS. In the United States, a symbol commemorating those who have died of AIDS is the AIDS Memorial Quilt, section of which are displayed in various cities and towns throughout the country on World AIDS Day. WHO organized World AIDS Day, developing the annual themes and activities until 1996, when these responsibilities were assumed by UNAIDS, the Joint United Nations Programme on HIV and AIDS. In 1997, UNAIDS created the World AIDS Campaign to increase AIDS awareness and to integrate AIDS information on a global level. In 2005, the WAC became an independent body functioning as a global AIDS advocacy movement based in Cape Town. In addition to ensuring the support of leader and AIDS organization, the WAC prepares information that is distributed for World AIDS Day. World AIDS Day first theme was communications for 2005 to 2010. The WAC fostered the theme Stop AIDS, Keep the Promise, which the organization used not only on the World AIDS Day but also throughout the year to raise awareness of AIDS.